shakalaka, Bitcoin is at critical levels. Is this a bull trap? Is this a bear trap? And why I may actually consider buying some Dogecoin. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at Bitcoin being at critical levels. Why this is a very, very important level for Bitcoin and why a lot of very important people are criticizing Bitcoin's price right now. Plus, we're going to take a look at why I might actually buy some Dogecoin. But before we get into that, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Also, today's episode is sponsored by babycake, so stay tuned till the end for a sponsored review. Now, if we take a look at Bitcoin today, we have veteran trader Peter Brandt saying rising wedge. Will it fulfill its expectations or fail to launch? And as you can see here, he's plotted out this little rising wedge. Now, from my memory, rising wedges are historically bearish patterns. But I went to the expert himself, Thomas Bukowski, at thepatternSite.com and took a look at the rising wedge identification guidelines. So price trend can be any direction leading to the pattern. The shape is a narrowing and rising triangle shape, which we have. Trend lines, the price bounces between two upsloping and converging trend lines. Got it. Touches, price should touch at least 5 times to outline a good pattern. Got it. Duration, 3 weeks minimum. Got it. Volume trend, trends downward 79% of the time until the breakout. But the breakout can be in any direction. However, it's downward 60% of the time. So 60% of the time, this pattern will actually break down. Is this what's actually going to happen for Bitcoin? And this is very important because if it does break down, who knows where we could be heading? And not only do we have Peter Brandt saying, hey, 60% chance this might be breaking down based on this pattern, but also from the Big Short, Michael Burry takes aim at Cathie Wood's ARK Innovation ETF. Basically, ARK's flagship innovation ETF invests in companies like Tesla, Square, as well as GBTC. So this is essentially like Michael Burry taking aim at Bitcoin. Now, he thinks that all of these are going to go down. He's purchased 31 million worth of bearish put options against 235,000 shares of the ETF. The put options are a way of profiting from the decline in the value of stock or fund. Now, Wood, on the other hand, says, to his credit, Michael Burry has made a great call based on fundamentals and recognized a calamity brewing in the housing mortgage market. I do not believe that he understands the fundamentals that are creating explosive growth and investment opportunities in the innovation space. So because of Bitcoin, Ethereum, other technological innovations, we might be seeing the price continue to go up. He might actually be wrong. I mean, just because somebody predicts something right once doesn't mean they're going to predict something right all the time. Now, that being said, if we take a look at Bitcoin today, we are in this rising wedge that has been talked about, and we are batting up critical levels against this blue line, the 200-day moving average. It seemed like we were going to find support above it, but we haven't yet. We're in between some pretty critical support levels. We have support and resistance. And if we take a look down here, the hash ribbon has just flagged. Now this hash ribbon, miners capitulation complete bullish. The last time it flagged like this, Bitcoin price went from $3,500 to $65,000. Generally, a pretty bullish signal despite what's going on with TA. And if we take a look here, every time that it has flagged previously, look, there was one right here at 18,000 before it went up to 65. There was one right here, and one right here, and one right here, and one right here. And pretty much every time after the hash ribbon's flag, the price goes up dramatically. So likely we will be seeing the price go up dramatically. But today the price is down. The price actually dropped below the 200-day moving average. We were hoping to find support on it. It dropped below the 200-day moving average. And William Clemente says, price down today while whale holdings went up by 13,000 Bitcoin. Funny how that works. Yeah, maybe there's some type of price manipulation. Maybe there's something else going on. But it is very interesting how whales are buying up Bitcoin at unprecedented rates, and yet the price is dropping. And Plan B goes on to say both Bitcoin and stock to flow, an on-chain signal color still indicating the second leg of this bull market. Not over yet. We can see it's over in previous bull runs when it's red. It's not red yet, it's orange, which is generally when it's still below the line in both of these cases. So we're still below the line We're not in red yet. In the next few months, we might be seeing red, and then hopefully we'll be above that line, because that would be awesome, I'll tell you. Now, that's it for Bitcoin today. Very critical levels. I would love to see Bitcoin find support above the 200-day moving average, but we still have a few days until this actually needs to happen, because we can adjust this a little bit. It looks like we're kind of close, coming up to one of the days when it'll have to break out, up or down. We'll kind of have to see. Now, news for Dogecoin today. The team officially reestablishes the Dogecoin Foundation after 6 years. This is a completely unworked on project, and while Elon Musk was touting it, I was saying, hey, what the heck? Why bother buying Dogecoin? They haven't worked on the project in years. Not only that, but it uses all of the mining of Litecoin, making it doubly prone to a 51% attack, because people can not only 51% attack Litecoin, but also Dogecoin at the same time. Now, as of Tuesday, the advisory board for the foundation includes Vitalik Buterin, Billy Marcus, Max Keller, and Neuralink CEO Jared Birschall, representing Elon Musk's interest. So on Tuesday, the announcement is the Dogecoin Foundation said it would be reestablishing itself in an effort to support the Doge community as well as promote the future of blockchain. The foundation said it would be announcing new projects in the coming weeks, encouraging the adoption and utility of Doge that increase Dogecoin uptake at a grassroots level. This actually makes me think, maybe it might be worth buying some Dogecoin as an insurance policy. Because if we have Vitalik, the creator of the second most popular cryptocurrency, if we have Elon Musk, the world's richest or second richest man, well, potentially we might have a project worth looking at, but it's more of an insurance policy than anything else. So that's all the news that's in cryptocurrency today. Now, sponsored interview from babycake. Hold babycake and get paid passive income in cake every 60 minutes. So if we take a look at what this is, babycake in a nutshell is the next evolution of a yield generating contract on the Binance Smart Chain. You get rewarded in cake instead of tokens. The token contract employs a static reward mechanism. 15% of every transaction is split in two. 7% cake is redistributed to holders. 3% is used to fuel the liquidity pool exchange growth. 5% cake is allocated to the buyback marketing wallet. And there's an extra 1% sell fee. Swing trading is a common practice, and this should help stop swing trading. Now, today we're going to take a look through babycake. This is a sponsored review, so clearly do your own due diligence before investing, but I'm going to kind of go over the project and then allow you to do whatever you would like to do. Now, at their website, babycake.app, you can see you hold babycake and you actually get reward in cake, PancakeSwap. So you can buy it on PancakeSwap, and you can check out your dashboard. And the dashboard is pretty nice. If you go to the dashboard, you can see it here. Now it gives you a list of the top 50 holders. When you connect your wallet, it tells you your balance, your rewards. It also has their Twitter here. YouTube videos are on. And then it tells you a little bit about the cryptocurrency. So the market cap is 23 million. The trading volume in 24 hours is 1.5 million. LP value is 4.9 million. There's 55,900 holders. And the total cake rewards so far is $13 million, divided by the number of holders, roughly every person about $300. Now, they've been out for about a month now. I did notice that they posted a video when their dashboard came out about 10 days ago, and since then the market cap has dropped a little bit and the LP value has dropped a little bit. But if we take a look at the rest of the project, what makes this unique? So it's the first cake reflection token. Similarly to something that SafeMoon did, they're doing this with PancakeSwap. You simply hold babycake token and get rewarded in cake on every transaction. With the auto claim feature, you'll receive cake automatically in your wallet every 60 minutes. Now, the features of babycake. There's a 7% redistribution in cake. So 7% of every buy-sell token is redistributed to all holders. Hold babycake tokens, earn cake. A minimum of 200,000 tokens is required in order to receive rewards, and right now it's about $40 to $50 worth of babycake. Paid automatically every 60 minutes, 3% auto liquidity pool, so 3% of every transaction is converted into liquidity for PancakeSwap. This automatically helps create a price floor. There's a 1% sell fee, so an extra 1% is applied to all sells to help reduce swing trading. Secured by design. So initial liquidity provided will be locked with DX Lock for more than 1 year, fully audited by CertiK, and a massive marketing plan. 5% of every transaction is allocated to marketing in Cake, swap to Cake in real time to avoid dumps, so we can fuel the most ambitious projects and reward our active community. Now, stuff they've already done. You can see stuff checked off here that they've already done, like listings on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, meme contests, white paper released, followers on Twitter, on Telegram, 30K audit. Things coming up, they have Crypto Expo Dubai, babycake AR gaming app, babycake swap, babycake merch shop, building NFT platform, marketing, and more to be announced. And they show you down here how to buy babycake. And that's pretty much all that's on the website. So we took a look at that. This is the white paper, very short white paper, not too much going on with the project other than just holding it and earning Cake. And then we have a very nice dashboard right here. Now we have the 30K audit here, and as you can see, you can read through the audit. You can see there are a couple of vulnerabilities, medium level vulnerabilities, nothing major, nothing critical, but medium level vulnerabilities. So you might want to take a look at that if you're considering investing. And then the rewards calculator. So this is the reason why most people would buy babycake, for the rewards. So right now, the 24-hour volume is $1.5 million. Let's say you own $100 worth of tokens. Well, if we take a look at the rewards over time, on average, you earn almost 50 cents a day, which means in a year, if this were to remain the same, you would actually earn $172. So you invest $100, you earn $172 a year of Cake. So it would seem, if things stay the same, that this would be beneficial. But I should just say, oftentimes these rewards don't stay the same. Now, if we take a look at the chart, we can see it's been around for about a month. There was a very sharp run up in price, and then since then, the price has been flagging a little bit. So that is pretty much all about babycake in a nutshell. Very simple project to understand. You buy babycake, you hold babycake, you earn Cake. And that's basically how it works. So my thoughts on this project: they've done a very good job creating this dashboard. It is a very nice looking dashboard. I also see that if these rewards do hold true, that would be an amazing return to get on your investment. You're almost tripling your investment from just holding it there if this actually stays. The things that I did notice that I wanted to bring your attention to: first off, there's some grammatical errors in the website, in the white paper, and it kind of shows somewhat of a lack of attention to detail. The other thing that I noticed is in the past 10 days, there has been a drop in the volume and a drop in the LP. So those could affect people who are continuing to buy, because a project like this only continues to go up in price if people continue buying it, because that's really the only generation. However, there are projects like SafeMoon that have done very well. So regardless of what it is, do your own due diligence, and then you can check out babycake. You could buy it on PancakeSwap, and you could earn your own cake. So thank you very much for sponsoring the episode. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.